In the last episode, we finished unboxing the core components. Today, the modification project officially enters the installation phase. After unboxing, we conducted an initial test run. The primary objective was to verify that the motor and control system were functioning correctly. The successful completion of the test also signifies that the propulsion system has taken a crucial step forward. The electric motor cannot be connected directly to the original vehicle's transmission. Therefore, this custom adapter blade is required to make the connection. This also serves to validate the measurements and designs from previous episodes. When all the mounting holes aligned accurately, it indicates that the preceding design was correct. The electric motor has finally been connected to the vehicle's original transmission. At this stage, the powertrain has taken on its initial form. The electric motor has been successfully connected to the original vehicle transmission and the initial operational test has been completed. Next, we will proceed with the installation of the battery, high voltage system, and vehicle wiring.